Hi, my name is Vivek. I have been having this hair fall issue since past 3-4 years, and it has been out of limits because I have been traveling to a lot of places for my education and work regarding. Then the hair fall actually was getting too bad, and I used to keep a cap and everything, which was getting a bit itchy and was completely unhealthy for I had lack of self-confidence due to that, and that's when I was thinking of going for hair fixing and hair transplant options. That's when I came across multiple clinics, and after a bit of research I decided to go for consultation at Densitae, and I went for the Densitae in for consultation within a month, and even I had a lack of confidence in which clinic to go. Is it what do you say, authentic or not? But still I went for it. So when I went for consultation, I went to Dr.Shashi, and she was really welcoming, and she even told us how they would do it, and there's nothing to worry about. After talking to her itself, you feel a bit relieved about things. It's not much to think about, or you don't have to get carried away thinking about this, and she makes you a bit cooler about things, and she was really welcoming, in short. So, and even my surgery was also done by her, and it was amazing. It was the experience was really good from her side, and even after the surgeries, the consultations, the PRPs, and all the feedback that she gives, and the medicines, improvements, everything she has taken care of, and I'm pretty happy with that. So after the consultation, that's when I got the good presence of mind and a good vibe from the place of doing it over here. That's when I decided, like, okay, this is the place that I want to do it from. And I went forward, and I took an appointment for surgery within for the 2 months, 2 or 3 months. Then after that I went forward with it, and after till the surgery was happening, I was still in doubt, am I doing the right thing or not? But then after the surgery and after seeing the graft and everything, I was pretty happy, and with the hairline as well. And now it's been 6 months. It's been 6 months since I did my hair transplantation, and this is the result. And this is something that more than I expected of what the result would be, and I'm pretty much happy with the results. And it's great. So before I had to at the initial stages, I didn't take care of it much because there's a lot of hair loss, and I thought it is just natural when we shift places. But when I kept on shifting places, the hair fall kept on increasing. That's when I started noticing it after 2-3 years. And by then I have been trying a lot of oils and spent a lot of money on oils and creams, tonics, and many of such medicines, which was actually a line in the water, which was not working. That's when and the lack of self-confidence. Every time you get into a sunlight, I'll be doubtful, like, is the scalp seen or not? And then it was evident that the scalp is seen, so I used to get really uncomfortable around people with my hair and everything. That's when I started using a cap, and whenever I used to go out, I used to wear a cap. And then it was time. Then people started asking, why do you always wear cap? And there was some instance that even while I was getting inside swimming pool to take some photos, I used to wear the cap, and then people started to ask, why are you wearing cap in the swimming pool? That's also some answers that I had to give, and that's some of the moments that I have to realize that it's time to get rid of the cap as well. Me and my friend had done it together, and we used to get queries from other people, like, from where have you guys done it? How come your hair has been different? So then for people who are actually really worried about their hair as well, we would tell them this is the place that we did it, and you can go for it. And we would give them the confidence that, because we are also confident about the results that we got from here, so even we suggest Densitae clinic to anyone who asks us. Even our closest circle, people who are yet to, also people who worried about their hair, we suggest Densitae.